Hello everybody, it's your girl Miss Hans. Recently I had the grand opportunity to attend Gospel Heritage Praise and Worship Conference where we celebrated the 25th anniversary of Dr. Hairston. Congratulations on 25 years of music and ministry. Now enjoy these highlights and clips from Gospel Heritage.
This week, I've been coming to Heritage for years. And I am telling you, this year I've seen something totally different than I've ever seen before. I've seen a group of desperate people. I witnessed many of you in the hallways, many of you in the seminars and workshop and in the classes. I sensed on everybody's face and in their hearts. Bishop Walker, we didn't come here for another conference. Because if the truth be told, many of us are conference out. We came here for a shift. We cannot go home to the same praise and worship today with something different. Then the worship at your church can't change. But today, you must go home with something different that you've never had before. And what I need everybody in this room to do, this last time that we'll be together, we have to follow him forward. Because he makes all things new. Anybody see your destiny in front of you? Tell them you made all things new. Yes, yes, you made all things new, and I will follow you forward. I want everybody to lift your hands and lift your voice and say everyone that's willing to follow the Lord forward, there's no turning back for any of us. Everything that you have learned this week and everything that was deposited into your life this week, you must leave here. Everything and every truth that you heard this week, the enemy is going to try his best to distract you from what you heard. But the devil's a liar. Because how can you hear without the preacher? And how can he preach to you unless he be sent to you? How many of you believe that everything that you heard this week was sent directly to you? And you cannot let the enemy distract you from it. Everybody in this room, make your way to this altar.
Wow, what a great time we had at Gospel Heritage Praise and Worship Conference. Now, be sure to check out more highlights on my brand new show called Gospel Excitement. Yes, Gospel Excitement. Also, if you're interested in supporting my ministry, you can simply do this by going to theonetruth.tv.com. And if you're interested in finding out what I'm up to, you can check me out at thereallifeofhans.com. God bless.